Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on Candy Crush Saga. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To add friends on Candy Crush Saga game, simply go ahead and click on your profile picture at the top left. Now, click on Friends. Click the Add More Friends button and select the Invite Friends button. Now, you can go ahead and choose a person you would like to send the friend request to, or you can also choose the mail option and add a friend by email. Into the to text box, type in the email of your friend and you'll be able to see an automatic text displayed on the screen. Once you do that, click the send button at the top right. Once the friend of yours you are trying to add opens up your email, they'll be able to see the link that you sent. They'll need to click on it and join in with you on Candy Crush Saga. That is how you can easily add friends on Candy Crush Saga. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.